Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to connect a temperature sensor and troubleshoot its most common wiring issues. First, we check that the sensor is connected to the PIERRE 5-volt output and to one of the configurable pins. As you can see, both the power supply and the PIERRE LED are lit, which means there is power. However, the temperature sensor still reads 0 degrees. We check whether it actually receives power. On the back, the GND and plus 5 volt are clearly marked. Using a multimeter, we measure whether the 5 volt is really present. As you can see, it is there. However, at the same time, we also notice that we are measuring minus 5 volt. This means the power supply is connected in reverse. We then inspect the wiring and correct the polarity. Still, no readings appear. We gently warm the sensor to check, but there are still no values. Now we check the pin assignment in the partner application. The sensor is on pin 3 and the wiring matches. We also check the address. For multiple sensors on the same pin, each must have a unique address. Since we only have one, it should be set to 0. We submit the settings, then select Done. Returning to the user application, the sensor begins reporting temperature values. Gently warming it shows that the readings are stable and accurate. Always ensure the polarity is correct, the pin is configured properly, and the sensor itself is functioning. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.